Dasyueshan National Forest Recreation Area is located in Heping District, Taichung City, Taiwan. The range of the park covers the forest ecology of low, middle, and high altitudes. It is not only abundant in wild animal and plant resources, but also breeds a diverse bird ecology. There are 227 species of birds inhabiting the area, including 29 endemic bird species in Taiwan. According to the word of mouth by bird lovers at home and abroad, the park has become one of Taiwan's top 10 international bird-watching destinations. Dasyueshan National Forest Recreation Area was an important forest farm in central Taiwan in the early years, with abundant forest vegetation. The Dasyueshan Forest Road is the link road to the forest farm. Now it has become a popular attraction for watching Taiwan's endemic bird species. The entire Dasyueshan Forest Road can be used for bird watching, slowly rising from the flat ground to 2,600 meters. The rich and diverse bird species are a spectacle. This allows international bird lovers to come from thousands of miles to watch birds.
这个分别正确。
公的。
公的停在那里。
有看到吗？
那根你们看到一根最中间有一个很明显的树枝。
The Dasyueshan International Bird Race, organized by the Dongsha Forest District Management Office, attracts bird-watching lovers at home and abroad every year.
但那个声音全部是在下面了，因为中午他们进去里面，
他就没有在这上，这是就站在这个上面的。
哦，就最高。
大雪山这个环境是国际上很有名的赏鸟的好地方，这个环境在台湾来讲算是非常难得的。
In recent years, through the Dasyueshan International Bird Race, at least 227 species of birds in 60 families have been recorded, including the Mikado pheasant, Swinhoe's pheasant, white-eared sibia, Taiwan yuhina, Taiwan thrush, as well as others. 29 species of birds endemic to Taiwan, and 48 species of subspecies endemic to Taiwan. Dasyueshan National Forest Recreation Area can be said to be the most popular stop among the top 10 international birdwatching spots in Taiwan. The Dasyueshan National Forest Recreation Area is rich in biological resources, with the long-term efforts of species diversity and habitat conservation. It has bred many precious conservation wild animals. The call of the black eagle cuts through the sky and gradually emerges with an amazing posture of spreading huge wings. The black eagle appears as a king, and the stunning flying dance on the skyline that is performed is a unique and mysterious life recurrence. The population of black eagles is scarce. As a result, it has become the dream figure of many bird-watching tourists. Today, the sky of the park has joined the figure of the black eagle, and it has become the most dazzling bird of prey in the bird-watching paradise. Dasyueshan National Forest Recreation Area is not only an international bird-watching paradise. The vigorous vitality and overflowing surprises in the forest are the place to heal your body and mind. Dasyueshan Bird Paradise welcomes you to explore in depth.